After Hurricane Sandy, we were out of power for 13 days. We couldn't live at home. We were living with family. I have a sump pump in my basement because I get groundwater that comes up. Without power, the sump pump failed and I ended up with almost 3 feet of water in my basement, and we lost a lot of things. And it took a long time to clean up that mess.
I was devastated and cried every time we take a box of stuff out to the curb. Of mementos and things that we lost from when the children were little, from when I was little, when he was growing up. It's all gone.
I am Michael Passeri. I live in Ocean Gate, New Jersey.
I'm Michelle, his wife. We've been here in Ocean Gate for over 20 years.
Well, a lot of people go to solar because they're trying to save the planet, and I don't necessarily subscribe to all that. I'm not much of an environmentalist, but I respect their opinion. My reason was financial and security, and that's what I have with my system.
I think people might be just apprehensive because it is such a newer technology that's out there, and there isn't much here yet in our vicinity. But if you drive around, there seem to be more and more solar panels going up. We would take every opportunity we had to tell friends what an awesome experience we have had.
About 2 weeks ago, the power went out. And the power goes out, this comes on.
He went running out to look and stuff, and like, yeah, it works, and we were all excited. It is very much security, a peace of mind feeling that with Sunrun, you don't have to worry.